On this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can make money with affiliate marketing with this platform which is called ManyChat. All you just need to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the ending. I will show you step by step how you can make money with affiliate marketing with ManyChat platform. So just keep on watching guys. Let me take you to my computer here and show you step by step of everything that you need to know on this video. So as you can see guys on the screen here, this is ManyChat. This is the platform that we are going to use to promote our affiliate products and start using it to make money. But the first thing you need to do is to pick the affiliate product that you want to promote and make money from this platform. The first thing you need to do is to make a short video about a particular product or the service that you want to promote and ask people to comment if they need the product or the service. And if they leave a comment, your automatic response is going to respond to this your audience and send them that link of that product or the software that you are trying to promote. That is the basic understanding of this strategy that I'm going to show you here. You need to watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you will learn how you can do this. So the first thing you need to do is to pick the affiliate product that you need to promote. The first thing we need to do is to pick the product that we want to promote. Let us say this is the product that we want to promote, which is this originality.ai. This is a tool that allows you to check your AI content if it's a AI content or is a human written content. That is what this tool is helping you to do. So what we need to do, we need to go and promote this product to our audience if they are interested on it. I want you to understand that this is just an example. So I'm just using this website as an example. So once you come down to the footer of the website, you are going to find their affiliate program. I click on affiliate here. It's going to pop up their affiliate program here. You are going to see that you are going to make 25% recurring commission for complete 12 months if you join their affiliate program right now. So what you need to do is to click on join, and they are going to take you to the process of how you can enter your first name, last name, and you register. You are good to go. Once you have joined, they are going to bring you to a tab like this. They are going to approve you immediately, and you are going to land in a tab screen like this, and you are going to be finding your link here. So this is now your affiliate link that you are going to be promoting to your audience. Anyone that uses your link to start using this tool, which is called originality.ai, you are going to get 25% commission every single month as long as the person is using it. I want you to understand that you are going to make money from this particular program. You are going to make money from this particular affiliate product that you promote for the duration of 12 months. After 12 months, the subscription plan or the earning plan is going to be cancelled. There is some that is going to pay you lifetime. There's some that is going to pay you 12 months. There's some that is going to pay you for each time you bring customer to them. It just depends on the program that you are trying to promote. For this program, which is called originality.ai, they are paying out every month, and this is going to last for 12 months. So I hope you get the understanding of what I'm talking about here. So now that we have the affiliate product that we want to promote, which is called originality.ai, and we are going to copy our own affiliate link here. So once you copy your own affiliate link, you need to go back to ManyChat to now make the money. So once you come to ManyChat here, what you need to do is to join the program. So just click on get started here. Once you come to ManyChat, it's going to ask you which of the platform that you want to be using to drive traffic to that your product. You need to choose one of the platform that you want. So here I'm going to choose Instagram. And once I choose Instagram, it's going to ask you to log in your Instagram account, either with your Google account or with your Facebook account, if you have one. So once you have entered the Instagram that you want to use to do this business, let us say I click on continue with Google, and once I choose, I'm going to authorize it. And here it's not telling me to log in my own Instagram account so that I'll be able to do this. So once you click on go to Instagram, it's going to take you instantly to Instagram, log you into this your account, and from there you are going to now start promoting your product and your service on your ManyChat account, and you are going to start making money. So let me log into my ManyChat account and show you how you can do this, because once I click on go to Instagram, it's going to automatically log me into my own Instagram account, and that is why I have to stop from here. So I'm just going to log into my own account now and to show you what you need to do and start making money with this ManyChat strategy with affiliate marketing. So let me log into my own account now. So guys, once you log into your ManyChat account, this is how the platform look like. So once you land in here, you are going to see the dashboard of ManyChat that you can see on the screen here. So what you need to do now is to click on this section where it said auto DM link from comment. So click on that. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you here. You are going to click on cancel and restart, because maybe you want to take us to what I have done before. So just make sure click on cancel and restart so that it will refresh the page and you are going to start afresh. So here you are going to choose the post that you want to target when anybody leave a particular word that you have set in on ManyChat, and it's going to be automatically responded with your own affiliate link. So look at how it works. First, you are going to choose the post that you want to use for this, your marketing. You need to click on this one. Let us say this one where I said people don't think. So what I need to do here now, I need to scroll down, just scroll down a bit. Once you have selected the post that you want to use, here you are going to enter the word that you want them to leave in the comment of that your post. Let us say you made a video about originality.ai and you say they should leave a comment originality.ai in the comment, and if they leave that comment, you are going to auto respond them and with the affiliate link. So that is how this strategy works. So here we are going to type originality.ai, and once I have typed in originality.ai, you need to scroll down here, type any word that you want. So now that we have typed in a word, is okay. So this is the test. This is what they are going to see before they open it. It says, hi dear, I am happy you are here. Thanks so much for your interest. It said, look at what it said. Click below and I will send you the link in just a second. You can change the text and enter your own text. Just make it to be customized according to what you are trying to promote to your audience, so that it will work between you and them. So that is one thing that I want to let you know. And this is how it's going to display on your mobile phone. Let us anyone comment. This is what they are going. This is the message, the first message they are going to receive. And you are going to be instructing them to click on this send me link. So when they click on send me link, they are going to receive the link and they are going to click on that link that you sent to them to access the website. So once you come down here, you need to type in the word. We can say get website link. This is just for example, get website link. And here we are going to click on add a link. We are going to come to this platform, which is called originality.ai. Copy the link here. So I'm going to copy the link, go back to this platform, which is called ManyChat. Click on add link. Sorry that I clicked it before I even said click. So I'll click on add a link and it's going to pop this up. Here you are going to enter your link. Here you can enter any word that you want, kind of a label. You can just type in, let us say originality.ai, or we can just type in original like this and click on save. Now everything have been saved, so it's telling us to activate this. Either you can activate it or you can go live. It just depends on you. So what you can do here now is to click on this area where it said go live. Well, so once I click on go live now, everything has just been set. So now you are ready to start making money. So what you are going to do now is to test this your campaign if it's working or not. So what I need to do now is to go to my phone. So this is my smartphone. I'm going to open my Instagram account here, open a new Instagram account. So I'm going to open a new Instagram account. I'm going to leave a comment on that particular blog. Let us say this is the blog. This is the post that I have made. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to type originality and I click on comment. So I have left the comment and look at what is going to happen. It's going to take just few seconds and it's going to be triggered and I'm going to receive a response from who? From me. So that is how this strategy works. So what you just need to do is to be patient and you are going to receive the message. So as you can see, when I click on it here, you can see on the screen here, when I push it close to the camera, you will see on the screen here, you can see that I have received a message from who? I have received a message from me to my other Instagram page that I want to use to receive this link. So when I click on the part where it said send me the link, you can see there's a part where it says send me the link. Once I click on send me the link here, this is the response I send. And what is going to happen now, the link will be sent to me, which is this one here. And now when I click on continue on that originality.ai, it's going to pop this up. And when I click on continue, it's going to redirect us. Just watch. It's going to now redirect us to originality.ai. So this is how you can do your affiliate marketing with ManyChat. It's very, very simple. You can do it from the comfort of your home. You don't need any kind of expensive skills or tools to do this. One thing that I like about this business model is that ManyChat have a free version where you can take advantage of this software and start using it to monetize your videos and start using it to make money. If you are not making money from your videos, you can start making money when people comment. Send free tools and software to them and you are going to make money. So that is how you can make money with this method. It's 100% free. You can do it from the comfort of your home. You don't need any skills or experience. Only what you just need to do is to make a very short video about that particular tool or software and ask people to leave a comment that you are going to send them the link. And if they click on that particular link that you send to them and make any purchase or start using the free version of that software, and maybe they find it useful, they can move to the premium plan, you are going to get a commission. So that is how this business model works with you using ManyChat to make money with affiliate marketing. So what I want to let you know right now is for you to leave me a comment, because this video is very, very helpful. It takes me time and energy to make this type of video for you. I want to hear your thoughts in the comment section. I want to know what you think. Please, guys, leave me a comment. I want to know what you think. I will say thank you very much. Don't forget, subscribe to this my YouTube channel. Leave me a comment. I want to hear from you. Let us keep making money, guys. I will see you guys on my next upcoming video. If you want to learn how you can make money with affiliate marketing with Pinterest, you can watch this video that is going to pop up right now. I will see you guys on my next upcoming video. Peace and see you soon.